Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna be collaborating with three amazing sisters, so it's gonna be total 4 videos plus mine, and hope you guys enjoy. And please go subscribe to these channels. I'm gonna drop all the links in the description box. Please go subscribe to them. Thank you so much. So guys, first we're gonna be watching how this beautiful sister make waffle. It's really easy to follow, and she doesn't speak English, she speak in other language, but everything is written in English. So hope you guys enjoy the video.
Zinaitwa Desera. Naomba sana msisahau kusubscribe katika channel yangu na kugusa kengele notification ili kuweza kupata video mpya ninapoposti. Tutaanza kwa kuweka kikombe kimoja cha unga, chumvi kidogo, vijiko vitatu vya sukari, baking powder kijiko kimoja cha chai. Tutaweka mafuta ml 85 ni sawa na robo kikombe, na tutatumia mayai mawili. Tutatenganisha ute na kiini, na tutatumia kiini cha manjano kwa wakati huu, na ute tutatumia baadaye katika stage nyingine. Tutaweka maziwa kikombe kimoja na tutachanganya vizuri. Tutaanza kwa kutengeneza ule ute wetu ambao tuliuacha mwanzo, na tutachanganya na sukari ya unga, yani icing sugar, sawa na vijiko viwili vikubwa, na tutapiga kwa mixture ya keki mpaka itapokuwa nzito na nyeupe. Ute wako wa yai ukishakuwa tayari nzito, utachanganya na mchanganyiko wa mwanzo katika bakuli moja. Na mchanganyiko wako wa wefa upo tayari kwa kupika, na tutapaka mafuta katika mashine ya kupikia wefa na tutaiacha ipige moto. Kuna kidude cha kundu na cha kijani. Cha kijani kikiwaka ndo kumaanisha imeshapata moto. Tutaweka mchanganyiko wetu. Na wefa zetu ziko tayari kama mnavyoziona. Kama utapendelea zipige rangi zaidi, utaendelea kufunika kama dakika 2 mpaka 3 na utatoa. Desera zetu ziko tayari kama mnavyoziona. Unaweza kula kwa chai, juisi na chochote kama zilivyo, bila kuweka chocolate. na kama utapendelea kuweka chocolate utaweka, na kama si mpenzi wa chocolate unaweza kuweka ice cream ya vanilla au yoyote uliyokuwa nayo. Desera zangu au wafer zangu, moja nimeweka chocolate na nyingine nitapamba au nitaweka ice cream kama mnavyoiona ni ya passion. Video yake nilishawahi kuposti jinsi ya kutengeneza ice cream, mnaweza kuangalia. Resipi yetu imemaliza. Kama mnavyoiona wafer zetu ziko tayari kwa kula. Unaweza kula kwa juisi, chai, soda, maziwa, kahawa na vile utakavyopenda. Naomba sana msisahau kusubscribe na kulike video hii pamoja na kushare. Asanteni sana.
So this is Cook with Rania. We're going to watch how she make her amazing shawarma. So stay tuned.
Today we are going to be making an exciting dish. So that's chicken shawarma. Now let me take you through the ingredients. And first of all, I have 4 cups of flour. Then guys, I also have here 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, and I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I also have milk powder. I used 3 tablespoons. It's not a must, this is optional. Then I have 2 tablespoons of yeast. I have my vegetable oil and warm water. First of all, I'm adding my milk powder. Then next, I'm going to add in my sugar and my salt. So I just added my yeast, and now I'm adding my vegetable oil. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of that. Then guys, start adding in your warm water gradually as you knead your dough. I divided them into 2 bowls so that they can have space to rise. I'm going to cover it with cling film and give it like an hour so that you can continue with the next step. As our dough is rising, I'm going to start with my chicken. Over here guys, I have my spices. That's mixed spices. I have curry powder, turmeric powder and paprika. In my lemon, I squeezed in lemon. Over here guys, I'm adding my soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. Guys, put them somewhere and make sure you space them because we are going to let this rise again. Make sure you don't add any oil, just cook them as they are. Filling that I'm going to put in my shawarma, I just have lettuce and carrots and cucumbers. Spread my white sauce on the bread just like that, not too much of it. next, spread your red sauce. At this point you can use ketchup or tomato sauce, the normal one. Add in my meat, the mixture of salad and meat. I just added a bit of mayonnaise because in my white sauce there is mayonnaise inside there. So that's it guys, just roll it and just cover it or tie it rather with a cling film or anything you have available. So guys, you're going to repeat the same process in all your breads. First the white sauce, then the red one, then your meat and the salad, then you pour in some mayonnaise on top and you roll your shawarma. That's basically it guys, and I hope you've seen how easy it is to make shawarma. So this is what I turned out with.
And this is fish bhajia. Hope you guys enjoy, and remember to check out the description box to find all the links.
Guys, today we're going to be making fish bhajias. Thank you so much for clicking. So we will need the following. It's fish bhajias, fish pakora. Very delicious, very simple and easy to make. So yeah, we're going to be needing fish. This is 2 fillets of fish I've cut into squares. This is red snapper. As you can see, those are the shapes I cut. I have 1 squeezed lemon, garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of each, 1/4 spoon of black pepper and salt to taste. So we're going to marinate this. So by marinating, we're going to just pour in everything and mix it in no particular order. So our garlic and ginger goes in, our salt and black pepper, and we're going to mix this all well. So if you want this, if you decide to make this dish a day earlier, it's best to marinate it overnight. But if you feel you've just decided to make it, then marinate it for at least 1 to 2 hours. So just marinate it, mix it well and put it in the freezer. Sorry, fridge. If you're marinating for the 1 to 2 hours, it's best to put it in the freezer. It will catch, the spices will catch in well. So that is step 1. Okay guys, step 2, we're going to be making our batter. So we need our gram flour, also known as bhajia flour. We'll have our salt, our garam masala, our black pepper, our chilies, our coriander, and our water. So we're going to mix this all in together. So garam masala is 1 tablespoon, salt is to taste, chilies I've put just 1/4 teaspoon, and black pepper 1 teaspoon. So you just mix everything like this, and then we're just going to mix it up. So we're going to be adding our water gradually in as we mix it. We want to avoid having lumps. So guys, I would like to take this moment to tell you guys all Ramadan Mubarak and Saum Makbul. So we add in our water and we mix in. Now if you don't like the color and you would like it more bright, you can use your orange color, but I prefer this color. So my butter looks like it's getting too thick, so I'm going to add in some water. As you can see, it's a bit too thick. Now if you like, you can also add in some finely chopped onions. It just takes it to another level. It's amazing, by the way. So we add in our water. We want this consistency that it's not too thick and not too thin. Like that, as you can see. And yeah, our batter is ready. So we heat up our oil. As our oil is heating, we remove our fish from the fridge. And there's our batter. So we're going to place in our fish into the batter.
and then we're going to put it into the fire. So if it bubbles like that, that means the oil is hot enough and you can just fry them. Now this is fish, you don't want to turn it a lot because it will break. So you just let it heat up, and on the low, you just put it on low fire, let it cook, and then once it's ready on that side, you can now start turning. And your oil has to be hot, because if your oil is not hot, the fish is going to soak in the oil, which we do not want, because then it starts breaking in the oil. So guys, as you can see, my color is starting to change. There, and our fish bhajias are actually ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. There are our fish bhajias. You can garnish it with a bit of coriander. Bye, hope you enjoy it and try this video.
So this is my video. I'm showing you how I make my simple custard dessert. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Hi guys, assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna be making vanilla custard dessert. This dessert, it doesn't require so many ingredients, and you can have it cold or hot. You can have it on summer or winter. Really nice, quick and easy to prepare. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be measuring 2 cups of milk. All right, so now I'm going to add my custard powder. So I'm gonna just add about 1 tablespoon, like so. You can add half. Okay, so now I'm gonna be just mixing. All right, you can add some sugar as well. It depends how you like it, so you can add more or less, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna just add a little bit. So guys, this is how I like my custard. So if you don't like thick, you don't need to add too much custard powder. If you want thick, you can add more. So this is how I like my custard. So guys, as you can see, it's boiling. You can slow the flame, and you have to add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix it. So when this point is done, you can just off the flame and you are good to go. Okay guys, so to serve, you can add a cake, or you can even have it plain. So I like to add on mine few pieces of cake. So guys, if you want to know how I make this cake, I will drop the link in the description box. I make this cake myself, so yeah, you can check it out if you are willing to know how I make this beautiful cake. This cake guys, it's not eggs, it's an eggless cake, and it's really delicious. So now I'm gonna just add my custard. Okay, just like that. So like this is ready. You can refrigerate, you can enjoy cold or hot. Like I said, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna just pour here without cake. So this one is without cake, and this one with cake. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a thumbs up and share with family and friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.